All right, hello everybody. My name is Abdullah Raouf, as Phil mentioned, and yes, it is true. This is a solution that's on the market and available today, and we can do deep neural networks in under 5 milliwatts. Not sure if everybody here is familiar with FPGAs. They are programmable hardware that you can program to do virtually many different applications. What we're offering today, what we're announcing, is the ability to put deep neural networks inside of these FPGAs. So before I get started, let me talk to you kind of what the agenda is going to look like for today. First, I'm going to talk about this shift of going away from intelligence only in the cloud to intelligence on the edge. And I want to kind of define what edge is, because I've seen a lot of people define edge a little bit differently. Edge, in my presentation, is the products that are gathering the sensor data. So the products that have the sensors, the microphone sensors, the image sensors, and are collecting all of this data. And in the past, all of this data would be sent to the cloud for analytics and all of the intelligence in the cloud. I'll give you an example. If you want to find out what time it is with an Alexa, you say, Alexa, what time it is? And if you're not connected to the cloud, you get no response. Although Alexa should know what time it is locally. It has, sometimes there's displays and the clock is right there, but it's not able to tell you because it needs that cloud connectivity. We're trying to show you that you need to move some of that intelligence locally, and there's a couple of reasons why. So I'm going to talk about why is edge intelligence important. Then I'm going to introduce who is Lattice and what are we releasing to the market to enable vendors like yourself or solution developers to go off and quickly develop something in terms of artificial intelligence and do it in a power efficient manner. So that's kind of the flow of today's presentation.